Hello, viewers. Can I ask you a question? Are you above the age of 40? If yes, then I'm sure your doctor must have advised you to go in for a regular health checkup. Your company is also an artificial person in the eyes of law. It also requires to maintain its health, whether it is financial or legal. So, it is necessary to have these health checkups. What with the plethora of laws that are enacted in India? The center is enacting, the state is enacting, your local government body like the municipal corporation has enacted some laws, then the regulatory body of the industry to which your company belongs also enacts certain guidelines, and of course your company also has the memorandum and articles and also maybe the shareholders agreement which govern the working of the company. Here I am not even mentioning the rules, the orders, the ordinances, the notifications, the standards, etc., etc., etc. It's a sea of enactments and you need a lighthouse to show you the way. And that is legal compliance health checkup. I am Ulka Kulkarni, company secretary. I have worked in the industry for 28 years and I am into practice for last 12 years. I also hold a degree in law and I am on the board of 3 companies as independent director. Law is my passion. Having introduced myself, now let me tell you the benefits of legal compliance health checkup. First and foremost is, many times it happens that there is ignorance of law or misinterpretation of law or there is conceptual error of law. In any of these cases, there will be a default which will lead to fine, additional fees, and in many cases imprisonment. Therefore, health checkup will help you in early detection and prevention of these kind of defaults. So it becomes the first and the foremost benefit. Second benefit is, with regular health checkups, your compliance management system will become robust. When your compliance management system is robust, certainly the defaults will reduce and there will be less penalties, less additional fees, and certainly no imprisonment. So second is robust compliance management system. Coming to the third, it is very cost effective because it will avoid legal disputes, fines, and such other things. So it is cost effective. So all 3 leading to risk mitigation. Then let us come to corporate governance. Will health checkup help in corporate governance? Of course, because it will be looking at the policies, the agreements, the contracts. It will be managing all this in favor of the company and leading to a better corporate governance and better following of the policies. Then you come to strategic planning. When you are planning any strategy, the tax implications on the operations is very important, and the health checkup will always give you the information for better strategic planning. Next, we come to mergers and amalgamations. If you are thinking of reorganization of your company or if you are looking for a loan, the precursor is always due diligence. It may be financial and it may be legal. So you're always prepared for this due diligence if you have a regular health checkup system. Then if you're looking for an investor, he will also be interested if your company is a compliant company. For him, the task becomes easier and he knows what risk he is facing. Then your stakeholders are also interested because they know stakeholders are the shareholders, the creditors, the employees, the debtors, the customers. All these stakeholders know that you are proactively managing the legal compliances and hence they look up to you, their confidence in you is increased and that gives the company a good reputation and a good image in the market. What else can I tell you? This is only an indicative list. If I keep telling you all the benefits of legal compliance health checkup, this will be an exhaustive video and I don't want you to get bored. So I will stop here, but I will tell you that compliance is much, much cheaper than non-compliance, and देख लेंगे, manage कर लेंगे attitude. To all the viewers of this video, I give you an opportunity to do free health checkups. Absolutely no charges, no fees, no obligations, just awareness of the benefits of legal compliance health checkup. I will do it for you. Contact me on the numbers given below. Thank you.